Article 16 of Indian Constitution tells about the equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Clause 1 of this article says that there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. Clause 2 says that no citizen shall on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, residence or any of them be ineligible for or discriminated against in respect of any employment or office under the state. Clause 3 of Article 16 says that nothing in this article shall prevent Parliament from making any law prescribing in regard to classes of employment or appointment to an office under the government of or any local or other authority within a state or union territory any requirement as to residence within that state or union territory prior to such employment or appointment. Clause 4 says that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any backward class of citizens which in the opinion of the state is not adequately represented in the services under the state. Clause 4a says that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation in matters of promotion with consequential seniority to any class or classes of posts in the services under the state in favor of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes which in the opinion of state are not adequately represented in the services under the state. Clause 4b says that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from considering any unfilled vacancies of the year which are reserved for being filled up in that year in accordance with any provision for reservation made under Clause 4 or Clause 4a as a separate class of vacancies to be filled up in any succeeding year or years, and such class of vacancies shall not be considered together with the vacancies of the year in which they are being filled up for determining the ceiling of 50% reservation on total number of vacancies of that year. Clause 5 of Article 16 says that nothing in this article shall affect the operation of any law which provides that the incumbent of an office in connection with the affairs of any religious or denominational institution or any member of the governing body thereof shall be a person professing a particular religion or belonging to a particular denomination. Clause 6 of Article 16 states that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any economically weaker sections of citizens other than the classes mentioned in the Clause 4 in addition to the existing reservation and subject to a maximum of 10% of posts in each category. Please like and subscribe the channel for more updates.